Welcome back, guys. Jeremiah here with 5 Acre Homestead. I recently said in a previous video that I did not have money for new lawnmower blades, and thankfully just a few days ago I was able to get some. And I also got a tune-up kit for the mower. So you'll be seeing me do that in this video. I'm going to get the mower all going so I can mow the yard with it. And probably in the next video or two, I will actually have a magnetic mount, so that would be cool. I also purchased, just recently, a new camera that I'm going to try out, so I don't have to keep using my phone. So hopefully within the next few videos you'll see a difference. But I got this camera. So we're going to try that out. Anyways, let's get to work. So this here is the tune-up kit that I got. Well, engine maintenance kit, as it says right here. I needed everything that you see in there. I've got a fuel filter, 2 quarts of oil, which I don't think it's going to take both quarts, but I've got the oil filter, air filter, spark plug. That's all I can see, but we're going to see if it works. And it says Kohler Courage 15 to 21 horsepower. I got 17 horsepower on here, so it should be accurate. We're going to get started on it. Look at that. Ain't terrible, but it says to do this on a warm engine. I don't have a warm engine because I didn't want to start it up again because of how it was acting the last time I had it running. So I'm doing this on a cold engine. So while we're waiting on this, should be almost done now, maybe. I haven't published any videos in the past couple of weeks for a couple of reasons. One, it's been wet, raining, it's Florida, and the days that it hasn't been, it's been really super hot. And it's really super hot today too, but things have to be done. I ended up taking a week off of work for vacation just to spend time here at home doing the thing, trying to catch up here at home. I just paid off the shed. So I'm happy about that. Now I can do what I want with it. Yay! So I can insulate it and put drywall up, and that's what I want to do. Yeah, it's dripping now. My house is low. Okay. But I just got an AC unit. You see the box. I'm gonna put in here because it's hot, it's muggy. I don't know if everybody around the world knows what muggy means, but muggy is when it's the humidity is up real high, but it's still like 90 degrees outside, so it's like water being baked in an oven. That's probably the reason why I'm sweating. Honestly, it's probably not just me. I love working outside, don't get me wrong. I love that. I love weed eating. I love mowing, cutting down trees. You know, I want to start splitting firewood, but that is going to happen when I start cutting down trees. I got a few logs to split, but I'm not doing all that right now. But you'll start seeing me do more stuff like that in future videos. And I am going to do future videos. Like I told you, I just bought a camera. It's like a $130 camera. I know it's a cheap one, but I'm going to see if it works. I mean, if it does what I need it to do, good. It's got a shotgun mic to go with it, so that should help with the audio. Like I said, I've got a magnetic mount for it that's going to be coming on Tuesday. Hopefully I can attach it to the lawnmower. That'd be kind of cool. Y'all can ride around with me. So I ordered the blades on Amazon. A lot of this stuff I ordered off of Amazon. Right here, my mower, it's a Troybilt 42-inch cut. It's got a Kohler Courage 17 horsepower motor. I've actually bought it in 2017. Personally, I've never done maintenance on it, but this is actually my first time doing the maintenance on it. My first time. I mean, it's had maintenance done on it before, but it's my first time. So that's why I'm reading directions and trying to figure out things myself, because I want to be able to know how to do it. So far, I mean, it's taken a long time. I mean, it's still dripping. Drip, 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 drip. Yeah, like that. I think this is about done now. Drip, drip, drip. And it's still, I'll give it a few more minutes. I really wish that I had more subscribers. Because I'm not getting like any views. I have some, but it's really not important to me. I mean, the reason why I'm doing these videos is for entertainment only. I mean, I'm not doing any how-to videos. You'll see that in the description if you guys read the description. I'm not doing how-to videos. I'm not a professional. I'm not, I mean, I think I might have said it before. I'm a jack of all trades and a master of none. I mean, I can do a lot, but it's not going to be professional work. It's not going to look like a professional did it. But it'll do the job that it needs. I think we're done. It hasn't dripped here in a second. See, I'm not watching what's coming out of here. I'm watching what's coming out of here, because I can see it dripping down into the funnel. But I see a little drop, but it's just hanging on. It hasn't dripped, hasn't fell. So I think we're done. On to the fuel filter. Okay, so now I've got the air cleaner, air filter, fuel filter, oil filter changed. Got the old oil out. Well, now we can pumping it around some. tripping again. Back on. Welcome to Florida.